Now to the high-stakes courtroom drama in Atlanta.
There was fiery testimony from the Fulton County prosecutor, Fani, Willis. She took the stand during a hearing on whether she should be removed from the election interference case against Donald Trump over a relationship she had with another prosecutor. CBS News' Dick Brennan here now with what she had to say today. Dick.
Reese and Christine, at the core of this hearing, two key questions. When did a romantic relationship between DA Fani Willis and Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade begin? And did Willis gain financially from it? Today on the stand, she angrily tangled with lawyers of Donald Trump and his co-defendants.
Let me tell you which one you lied in. Right here. I think you lied right here. No. This is the truth, Judge. And it is a lie. It is a lie.
A furious Fani Willis defended her romantic relationship with Nathan Wade, a member of her team.
You're confused. You think I'm on trial. These people are on trial for trying to steal an election in 2020.
Willis insists their relationship began after she hired Wade in 2021. But a friend and former colleague testified that the relationship actually began much earlier in 2019.
You have no doubt that their romantic relationship was in effect from 2019 until the last time you spoke with her.
No doubt.
The attorneys allege Willis personally benefited from her involvement with Wade, who was paid more than $650,000 by Willis's office as the pair took lavish trips to California, Florida, and the Caribbean. Willis insists she reimbursed Wade for the trips they took with cash and received nothing from Wade.
Mr. Wade is used to women that, as he told me one time, the only thing a woman can do for him is make him a sandwich. We would have brutal arguments about the fact that I am your equal. I don't need anything from a man. A man is not a plan. A man is a companion. And so there was tension always in our relationship, which is why I would give him his money back. I don't need anybody to foot my bills. The only man who's ever foot my bills completely is my daddy.
The judge in the case has said if there is even an appearance of a conflict of interest, Willis could be disqualified. Some legal experts are doubtful that would happen.
I don't see where the defense has met their burden, nor do I see where the judge could disqualify her.
Now, if Willis was disqualified, so would the rest of her office team, and another prosecutor would have to be assigned. And, of course, this would further delay the Trump election case. Willis takes the stand again tomorrow. Maurice.
Okay, Dick, thank you.